First of all, I would like to make sure that you can hear me. And I have in mind both the attendees present in the room and those who are following us online. So I would like to talk about the digital citizenship as a path that can help you succeed on the labor market. I also would like to address the digital aspects of the vocational training and of the labor market. I'll be speaking Polish, so if anyone needs interpreting into English, feel free to choose the English channel in your headsets. Let me briefly explain what Europass actually is. It is a form of digital citizenship that is tailored for our times. Our qualifications keep changing. We engage in lifelong learning, so I believe that it's a good idea to have the possibility of taking a snapshot of who we are and where we are at a given point in time. So this is a document that we can all the time supplement with another certificate or with another diploma. This document can open many doors. It can open a door to promotion, it can open a door to a new job, or maybe to get qualified for an additional course. And this is the idea behind Europass. Europass is a uniform document that describes one's competencies. It includes the CV, of course, and it uses all the tools that are listed on this slide. I will briefly talk you through all of them, paying more attention to some and just briefly mentioning others. I would like you to remember from this presentation that this tool exists and that the European Commission with the Polish Foundation for the Development of Education and its homologues in other countries provide in EU languages. Europass allows you to create a profile online. Anyone who wants to do so can do it, and then send this profile to an institution they are interested in without having, for instance, to send heavy PDF files. When you're looking for a job after you graduate without any experience, you might feel lost. You have no idea where to start. And this is where Europass comes in. It's a document where you can present your qualifications and experience. Europass will help you to build a comprehensive profile, and your CV will stand out among others. So, where to begin? First, you can start with generating your CV. You can choose from a number of formats, and you can present your achievements in any way you want. It also has a separate section on foreign languages. The final shape and form and content of the Europass is decided by you. Europass is connected with EURES. Europass profile will become your digital business card. With one click, you can share it with your employer or with anyone who might be interested in it. Europass is recognized in the entire EU. You can generate it free of charge. It's uniform. It has the same form in 29 languages. So take another step and join Europass.
Jako taki. Halo? Teraz. Jako taki Europass, jak Państwo widzicie, daje szansę wszystkim nam, niezależnie od pozycji w systemie edukacji lub poza nim.
Whatever you are in the educational system, or if you're already outside educational system, you can use Europass to present yourself to the labor market.
Czy już je mamy?
This document allows you to boast your achievements thus far and to apply for a future job or for a future training. You can use Europass Mobility. This is a document that allows you to describe what you've learned during your educational or stay abroad or a training abroad. You can also upload diploma supplements. There are 4 types of supplements that you can upload, both for higher education and vocational training alike. Some supplements are related to or go with degrees issued by local vocational school or by craft school. And these solutions are regulated by provisions issued by the Ministry of Labour, and they apply to all graduates of a vocational school. In Europass, you can also check your digital skills and then clearly define your level of digital skills in the Europass document. You can send your Europass profile through online tools, but not only. So where can you find it? You can find it at europass.eu. At that website, you can find all the tools that I have mentioned in my presentation. You can also visit the Polish local Europass website, where you will find the information in Polish. In the slide you can also find QR codes that will refer you to those websites. Europass is supplemented by guidance. Guidance can help you to correctly fill in all the boxes in your Europass. So in Poland, we have not only Europass, but also Euroguidance. If you give career counseling, you are well aware that gaining further skills is nowadays of high importance. Thanks to Euroguidance, you will have access to information on the current requirements of the labor market, as well as on tools that can help you work with your clients. The good news for you is that there is one-stop shop where you can find all the necessary information. Euroguidance is an EU-wide network of career counselors. There you can find information on the needs and the requirements of European labor markets. You'll get access to tools that can support mobility and attaining educational goals in Europe. You will also broaden your horizons by exchanging experience with career counselors from all over Europe. Visit our website and take care of your and receive support in shaping your career. The National Euroguidance Centre offers a number of initiatives. We highly encourage you to join them. The National Foundation for the Development of Educational System makes Euroguidance possible and available. We organize trainings, workshops, conferences, and online sessions. We also have an ambassador program, so you can visit our stand and learn more about it. But there are also a number of ambassadors present at this conference, so during coffee break you can approach them and ask about possible areas for cooperation. We're also involved in organizing such fora as the one that we're meeting at today. And this is already the 4th forum on vocational training in Poland. We also include higher education, because in brief, we're also engaged in another program that I will present to you shortly.
fantastyczne priorytety polegające na informowaniu państw
ambassador program
w ramach wiedzy budowania Europejskiego Obszaru doradztwa zawodowego może być istotne, a także
helps you to find out everything you need about career counseling programs. Also, if you're an ambassador, you can win an award, and we have the grand finale of the program during the dinner gala tonight. And actually, I wonder if the winner is already in the room with us. We'll see. Last but not least, I would like to mention Erasmus Plus trainings and cooperation activities. In this program, trainings and seminars are organized for everyone who is interested in the development of an education program. The main goals is supporting the Erasmus Plus program. This is actually what all the programs that I have mentioned today have in common. Then we want to give support to the Polish education system also through organizing international events and conferences that you can attend, and you can attend them actually quite easily. It's enough to reach out to us under the links that were on the previous slide or to write us an email. In this slide you can see how you can find an international training in the Erasmus Plus framework, and those trainings allow you to go abroad, learn from your peers, and come back with a fresh perspective and new knowledge. Finally, call for action. Those of you who have mobile phones on you, please check in on Facebook. If you don't have your mobile phone in your hand right now, it's a good moment to take it out and to like our profile on Facebook. You will get a lot of interesting information there. Also, you can visit these two websites. They will also help. If you visit them regularly, you will get you'll find their updates on what's new in our foundation, and maybe you'll find initiatives that are a right fit for you. And that's it. And I think that we can briefly proceed to coffee break.